Eden H100B Pulse Oximeter. First off, just notice that the nifty little kit that Eden puts together that keeps everything nicely packaged. This simply just goes in there. Pulse oximeter digit portion goes in there, and you can put your batteries in there and essentially zip it up. Okay. As far as the product goes, as mentioned in previous trainings, pulse oximeter is subcutaneously going to measure the oxygen in your blood. I've just attached it to my index finger, and as you can see there, it's instantly measuring the amount of oxygen in my blood, roughly around 97, 98, and it's measuring also my heart rate with a waveform. I'm going to take a couple of breaths and you'll just notice how it changes a little bit. Well, it took a couple of breaths to finally elevate it by 1, but you can notice that my oxygen did jump up by 1 to 98, and now 90 to 99, and my heart rate is now roughly at about 100, 101 beats per minute. You can set high and low alarms on this. It does have a backlight, as you can see there. Nice product. You essentially would look at a competitor out there that would be in the range of $400 to $500, depending on what particular name brand you would go with. But what's nice about this is it's relatively small, easily transportable from one exam room to another, and it is, and this is important to note, continuous measurements. It is not spot checking, this is continuous. So keep that in mind, because many of the finger pulse oximeters that are out there are just a spot check. Okay, so that's going to go ahead and conclude this particular training for the H100B by Eden, a pulse oximeter.